Hey y'all, I am back with another video and we're gonna do fried ribs today. I really love fried ribs. If you never had them, please try them. They are so good. So here we go. I am seasoning my ribs with Badia complete seasoning and Famous Dave's rib seasoning. Famous Dave's rib seasoning is so good, y'all. Like, you literally only need that seasoning and Badia, that's it. Now I'm going to add some mustard. Y'all know mustard makes it crunchier and juicier, and it holds the seasonings in as well. So I'm going to mix that together. Okay, so now we're going to coat our ribs in our seasoned flour. Please make sure you season your flour. You don't have to, but I like my food very flavorful. So I do add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of each seasoning to my flour before I coat them. And I also added cornstarch. I'm going to put all the ingredients below. Okay, I'm going to drop it in the deep fryer. I have it on 350 degrees. And you're going to fry them for about 12 to 15 minutes. You want it to have like that golden brown texture. Well, that golden brown look like you're frying chicken. Basically the same thing, we're just doing ribs. So this how it will turn out after about 12 to 15 minutes. They are very crispy and very golden. Y'all, these ribs are so good. Make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Thank you guys for the support and the subscribers. Thank you. Make sure you watch out for my next video.